How to delete and force stop apps on Android so that you can free up space and speed up your Android system. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of steps for you to be able to execute this kind of method. But first, everything can be accessed via your Android settings. Now, open up the gear icon that will redirect you to your phone settings. Scroll all the way down, and then here, choose on apps. Now, there's multiple way of doing this. It's either you can choose on that specific application in which you would like to free up space on that, or clear cache and data storage for that specific app, or you can do all applications at once by just simply tapping on the three dots at the top right and then choose on Reset App Preferences. Choose on Reset, and all these applications that you downloaded on your Android device will be resetted and you will automatically be logged out. However, if you would also like to separately clear cache on those, just simply locate any applications that you prefer and then go into the storage, this here, and then choose on clear data and clear cache. This will actually free up space and speed up your Android device system. And that's pretty much it. That's how you delete and force stop apps on Android.